What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we will do a price analysis and a price prediction based on top of that analysis. Also a little bit of an update on the MIR token, or I guess we should say the Mirror Protocol, which has seen an absolutely amazing increase in price. Last 24 hours up 90% when I did the analysis on it yesterday. I placed a ultimate price target of $2, which was a strong resistance. As you can see, we retraced, we retraced like 15% off of that, but still it's still very strong. And if you actually look at the volume, it's more than 1 billion. And you know, to be honest, I always try to be honest in my analysis, but that's just crazy. I mean, that's in my opinion almost unheard of. That a crypto outside of the 200 actually reaches above 1 billion volume, except for SLP or something. So yeah, I mean, but you know, the platform is great, the project is great, so it is kind of deserved in my opinion. So let's get right into it, into the analysis. As I said yesterday, my price target was $2. We breached that very hardly and went all the way up to this key level at around $2.4. So given the fact that we still have so much momentum in the price, the volume is still growing actually. You know, given that fact, I actually do think we can get higher, but I would say that we would need to stay above $2. Because, and that seems quite far away right now, but you have to understand that a lot of the times cryptos that have such bull runs, they fall really hard when they do fall. So as long as it stays above $2, I mean, we can even have something like this, even start a consolidation between 2.2 and $2. But as long as we do that, then I think there's still a possibility to get up to my next price target, which would be like 2.7. I know the other line was off of 2.5, but that's just because 2.5 is a big psychological resistance level. But I think that move up until 2.4 took away a lot of sell orders. And I do think we can therefore strive past that 2.5 quite easily, even though that's the 1.618 of this very significant fib. So that's a really strong key level, but still I think 2.7 would be a more realistic price target in the case that we do have another spike up, which in my opinion the condition for that is staying above $2. In the scenario that we drop through $2, and as I said, that's very possible. I mean, the fundamentals are still relatively bearish these last 2 days and the last months definitely. So if that does happen, we'll probably drop down all the way to 1.65, 1.7, this key level at first. But I don't think that would hold. I mean, it might hold a little bit. We might even get close to $2 again if that happens. But I don't think eventually it will hold. I think we'll get back down here. I don't think we'll drop down to the levels we were at in like I guess you should say a few days ago, but I do think that we would drop down to this level at around 1.4, 1.45, and from there I do suspect that that's the last support, so that will hold, at least if the fundamentals stay relatively bullish or the same. And from there, you know, we might, the most probable thing that will happen is that we'll just form a consolidation, just get some accumulation going, some, you know, bring some rest back in the price, and then eventually that might lead to an uptrend again, but that's too far in the future. So that's basically my analysis and an update on the Mirror Protocol or the MIR token. If you do have any questions about anything I said in the analysis or about this video in total, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.